Hey y'all, so this is a quick soap making tutorial. I made some Seamoss soap. So right now you see me getting everything ready. I'm doing the heat transfer method where you just pour your lye into your butters and oils and then melt like that. And lately I've been having trouble with that, so I got me a little crock pot to heat all my oils up to make everything a smoother process. And so I know like everything is getting melted the way it should be. So when it comes to sea moss soap, you can make it a couple different ways. You could soak it, the sea moss, your own way and make it into a gel, or you could just buy the gel, which is what I did, and you just add like 1 or 2 teaspoons per pound. And when my mold is only a pound, so I only did 1 or 2 teaspoons. Or you do like a water discount. I don't know how to do that yet, so I just added the sea moss after trace, and that's when your mixture gets kind of thick. You take your blender and lift it across the soap and see if it like creates lines over it. Like once you drip it down, you'll see like if it thickens up, and that's when I added it. So this is unscented and it smells just like the cocoa butter, which smells like chocolate in my opinion, but it was fairly easy to make and I like it. Right there you can see the sea moss that I added into it. So now I'm just putting it in there and making sure everything's all blended together, and that's it. And your next step is just add a fragrance if you want, and if you don't, then just go ahead and add it into your mold and let it sit overnight and you're done.